Welcome to Soft Reviewed. In this video, we are going to discuss the new way we can actually install models like DeepSeek R1 and other models using our normal laptop. You just need like a 16 GB RAM. Even that can run the DeepSeek distilled R1 1.5 billion models. So everybody can use AI on your PC without paying for a high-end graphics card or like high-end laptop. Microsoft made it possible for us by distilling the model, and now it's just 7 billion and 14 billion. It's really easy to use, easy to install, and anyone can install it. So let's look at how we can install it. First, you need VS Code. If you don't have it, go and type VS Code on Google. Then it will take you to this website code.visualstudio.com, and just download for Windows and start the installation process. And once it's installed, then you will see this window. Now that VS Code is installed, it will show a window like this. Just click on that icon and search for AI Toolkit, and you will find this AI Toolkit for Visual Studio Code, and just click on that install button, and it will start installing that extension to your VS Code. Once that's successfully installed, you will see this icon. Just click on it. It will take you to this page or window where you can just click on that open model catalog button. It will open up all the models that are available for us to play with. You can even use fine tuning support model. For me, I just want to run this locally. So you have the option to select NPU, the model that supports NPU, but my system already have NPU, but I am not seeing any models getting listed. So I don't know what's happening. Even if you don't have NPU, you can run using your GPU or CPU. So you have the full options here. So I am just selecting all, and now you can see you just look for this ONNX models right here. And that's what lets us download and install it directly on our system. What ONXS is, ONXS stands for like Open Neural Network Exchange. It's a format for AI models to be used across like different platform. So if you don't understand it, imagine if you have different types of computers like laptop, desktop, and servers, each running a different operating system. This ONXS is like a universal translator that allows this computer to share and run the same software even though they speak like different languages. So it makes moving AI models between different system easy and seamless. So that's why we use ONXS. If you are completely new to this, once you make up your mind, you can select the model that you want to run on your system. If you don't have a very powerful system or like just a moderate system, just try installing 1.5 billion parameter model and see if it's working correctly. And if it's fast, then you can just install it the distilled 7 billion version, because it's better to test it if you don't have at least core like i5 or something that's lower model. Then try with the 1.5 billion parameter model. If your laptop or system is above i5 or above like i5's i7 models, then you can try installing the 7 billion parameter. The most irritating thing about this is you'll have to wait like a long time. It took me like 1.5 hours to actually download this whole DeepSeek R1 7 billion parameter model. So it will take time. Be patient. Don't think this is not working or just don't cancel it. Just wait till this download process is completed, and you will see like a notification here once it's actually down. So once that's installed, it will look like this, and you will see that it's downloaded, and I there is like a notification like it's added here. So let's just click on it and see we have our local AI model here. And I can just to show you, I'll just go to aeroplane mode, and let's ask questions. See, now I am enabling it back. So that means it's running locally. Yeah, and we can also adjust all the settings here, like the temperature and other things. We can also adjust the tokens here. and you can also enable web search. So with the R1 model, you can only give files, and in order to enable web search, you'll have to use any of these models, Gemini 2.0 Flash, any of the Google models. So with this, since there is no vision capabilities, we cannot do that as well. And the good thing is we can at least provide it files. That's how you use it. And let's also see whether it's using the memory. Let me just prompt it. Write me a 500-word article. Let me see the system resource usage. As you can see, it's using the CPU. It's not using the NPU. I don't know why, but yeah, it's using the CPU. Why small business need ERP system? So the graphics card is going wild. It's taking lot of GPU power. Like the utilization is around 88, 90 percentage. I have a 6 GB graphics card. If it was using the NPU, it would have been much more efficient, but I am not sure why this is not using it. And you can also see the speed here. So if you have a better PC, then you will be able to get much better performance. I hope this was helpful. If you liked it, please don't forget to share and subscribe for more future videos. Again, thank you for watching. Have a great day. Click that thumb.